Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem that your screenshot does not save on your picture folder. As you can see, if I took a screenshot here, it automatically saved on my picture folder. So if you have the issue that it doesn't automatically save on this folder, so I'm going to fix it in this video. First of all, go to your search option here. And here type registry editor. You can see this option, then right click it here and select run as administrator and select yes again. And here you can see a pop-up window come on, and in the top of this you have to copy and paste one path. I'm gonna provide it to you in description. Just copy this path, and all you have to do, just paste it here and click enter. And after doing that, just right click on the empty side here and select new and select string value here. Just select string value and you have to give it a name, and the name should be this one. I will give everything on my description, so don't worry. Copy it and then just rename it and paste it here. And after doing so, just double click it here, and here you can see the value data. Just copy this thing here, copy this and just paste it here and click OK. And after doing all these things, your problem will be fixed. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you fixing the problem. And if this does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.